England Barge Company. Look at this big old barge. This is the Mississippi Bridge. Like I say, nothing but a bridge separating us from Vidalia to Mississippi right there. Look at this big old barge. And this thing is carrying this big ass barge. Golly. Look how huge it is. I can just imagine how heavy it is. But this thing is pushing it. Down the Mississippi. Let's see it. I wonder what's all on it. A lot of supplies from overseas and everywhere else, huh? It's a beautiful day outside. Beautiful winter weather, huh? Louisiana. How's the weather in y'all's town? I'm loving it right now. That thing is long. You know how many football fields that is? That is huge and wide. And it's pushed by England Barge Company on this Mississippi River. Again, this is in Vidalia, the Vidalia riverfront. And there's the Mississippi Bridge.